Alright, so it is currently 8 in the morning and 18 degrees with a 6-degree wind chill. So I decided I'm going to do a few cold starts on my F-150, my Suburban, and then my lawnmower over there. So pretty much the truck, the F-150 is the only one I'll be able to do from outside. Alright, well, that was very disappointing. I don't really care that it didn't warm up. It's not this one. You see, I have not been in it at all. As you can see, I also have not been driving this one for a few weeks due to the fact it has a broken leaf spring shackle and the master cylinder went out. All right. Start it up just like normal. Hear that sound? Let me know if you guys think it's timing chain rattle. I can't tell. Alright, well those two were easy. Now it's for the actual difficult one. This guy. Ugh. I should have put on damn gloves. That's neutral. There's the choke. Maybe not. Whew. Sit on this fucking thing.